What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use KLARNA'S automatic payments. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to log into your KLARNA account. So you want to go to KLARNA'S website or use the mobile app to log into your account. And then second step is to enable automatic payments. So you want to go to the payments or account section, and then you want to click on automatic payments or auto pay, and then you want to toggle the switch to enable automatic payments. Now the third step, of course, is to set up the payment schedule. So you can choose your payment schedule. It could be monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly, and you could also select the payment date, so specific date of the month or the number of days after the invoice date. Then the fourth step is to add a payment method. So you want to add a payment method. You could use credit card or debit card. You could also use bank accounts. So you want to ensure that the payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. And then as long as that is done, you're going to move on to the fifth step, and that's to confirm automatic payments. So you want to review your automatic payment settings and then confirm that you want to enable automatic payments, and that's how we get things done. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that helps us out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.